Good morning, this is Greg once again at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Saturday, June 10th, 2023. Really similar story once again today. We're going to have showers and thunderstorms developing this afternoon, and we're going to get these showers and thunderstorms pretty much every day into the middle of next week. Again, the key points. There it is, showers and thunderstorms continuing into the middle of next week. Satellite imagery, we do have another upper level low off the California coast. It's going to push east, but generally we're still going to have southerly flow aloft. You can see some of the clouds flowing through Montana. It has cleared out quite a bit overnight over southeast Idaho, but clouds will increase as we get some afternoon heating, and we're going to expect showers and thunderstorms to kick off again today. And again, the weather risk outlook generally every day through Wednesday. Chance of showers and thunderstorms daily. Maybe a little bit more widespread tomorrow. The main threat, under any storm, you could get some heavy rain, a half inch to an inch, potentially, where the heavy cells form. Again, maybe not quite as widespread today as they will be tomorrow and into Monday and the early part of next week. It looks like we're going to get more widespread precipitation. Again, flooding is widespread. We have a new one. We do have a flood advisory out for the Big Lost River below the Mackay Reservoir. Again, it has reached flood stage, so this may be upgraded to a warning later on this morning or this afternoon, as that has some heavy rain in the area has caused it to jump up to flood stage. Bigwood River at Hailey, again, still at flood stage. Occasionally it'll get up to moderate, but for the most part, minor flood stage. The Portneuf River at Pocatello remains as well. Portneuf River at Topaz, not much change in that, at minor flood stage. Big Lost River at Howell Ranch, again, expected to stay at flood stage through most of next week. Bear River at Border as well. And the Antelope Creek at Darlington, again, remains in minor flood stage. So again, several of these rivers have been in flood stage for quite a long time and will remain so for at least the next week, it looks like. National Weather Forecast map, again, we have another low moving onto the California coast, but again, most of the state of Idaho under a chance of rain and thunderstorms today as well as Sunday. And then that low moves east on Monday, and we may see a little bit heavier precipitation tomorrow and Monday as that next system moves through. So again, we just stay perpetually in the shower and thunderstorm chance for several more days. High temperatures today generally right around or slightly above normal. Generally 60s, high elevations of the mountains, 70s to around 80. Lower elevations, especially in the Snake River Plain. Overnight lows generally in the 40s and 50s again tomorrow night. High temperatures Sunday. Again, some areas may get into the lower 80s, but again, generally 60s and 70s. And again, not much change temperature-wise as we get into Monday. Generally highs right around normal for this part of June. Overnight lows slightly elevated perhaps as cloud cover increases. Rain amounts, again, generally 1 to 2/10 today and Monday. However, again, where the heavier thunderstorms form, you could see locally a half inch to an inch underneath those heavier thunderstorm cells. General amounts much lighter than that. And Sunday through Tuesday, again, it looks like we're going to possibly get some heavier precipitation in the early part of next week, and you see widespread amounts in the Sunday through Tuesday time frame. Almost everyone above 1/10 of an inch. Some of the mountains expect to get over a half inch, fairly widespread through that 3-day period. So again, the rain, wet conditions, off and on rain showers, again, going to be continuing for several days. And the extended 8 to 14 day outlook, a better chance. It looks like we might cool off by the latter part of the week as we get a cold front move through in the Wednesday to Thursday time period. So much better chance of below normal temperatures and continuing better chance of above normal precipitation as well. So again, not a whole lot of changes. Again, we're in this pattern of thunderstorms every day. It's going to continue today and on into next week. May get a break beginning next Thursday. Could see a bit drier conditions towards the latter part of next week. So that concludes the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed at the bottom 24 hours a day, or visit our website or on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you, and everyone have a nice weekend.